Hi everyone, this is Ayush from Radness Tech, and we have been using certain apps for some time now. I want to review these applications. We have shortlisted 5 apps we think are really useful at boosting your productivity and efficiency in the month of August. With over 1 million downloads globally, I think it's a safe bet if you are thinking of an alternative to Adobe Scan or Cam Scanner. This Indian app is at the peak of its counterparts, offering extra features like a flashlight and even a QR code support. Let's jump onto the right features.
You can scan pretty much anything, ranging from image, ID card, books, and documents. Edit your scanned document the way you like by resizing, changing the color filter, and much more. Change image to PDF in a matter of click. Now, with this app, compressing any document is not a task anymore. The app also supports QR code scanning. Last but not the least, you can generate your own QR code. All in all, a great app which can be used as an alternative to other document scanning apps.
Let's say you want to get your heart pumping at the gym. Using this app might just be able to do that, or maybe you just want to hear an audiobook. This is your go-to app.
The right feature you find in this app is it boosts the volume. Just use the slider to set the booster and it works fine.
This does work with your headphones, but I have to warn you, it can damage your speakers if you play it at very high level. Optimal level would be 30 to 40% of the boost. Above this range, the quality of the sounds get distorted and will eventually damage the speaker and possibly your sanity.
As we are talking about the apps, let's take a pause and look at the right teaser.
This bilingual app in the Play Store, supporting English and Hindi for now, is an interesting concept. Want to really know where the products come from? Just scan the barcode of the product. Motivated by Atmanirbhar movement or self-reliant, this app brings a unique feature. So go ahead and get this app right now.
Scan or enter the barcode to know the origin of the country from where it belongs. No More option is great, which tells you about the brand name and much more details as shown on the screen.
Well, among all of us, how many times have we just unlocked our phone for no apparent reason and then turned off?
Every time you unlock, the app will trigger a pop-up asking the user the reason for unlocking the phone, which is optional of course. This app developer has this for iOS as well. If you are too lazy to type anything, they will know. You can also analyze the number of times you unlock your phone, and the reason you typed in kinda gives you a report of yourself to you.
Well, do you have an important test or meeting coming up? I have a lot of screenshots and scrolling through them makes it hard to pinpoint the required information. Well, there's an app exactly made for this.
Organizing screenshots has become simple now, as you can add the screenshots into different categories that you define. Take screenshots with just a tap using the floating option. You can now copy, web search and share the text from the screenshot. I have checked it for some of the screenshots and it worked perfectly fine, capturing all the text. This feature is actually great and I like it, so go ahead and try it yourself.
That's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do let us know which app takes the cake by commenting down below. Stay safe and subscribe to our channel to not miss out on awesome content. Stay home, stay safe and stay rad.